Volcanic eruptions are the phenomena that can significantly affect the populations in the immediate surrounding of the point of eruption and those located at greater distances. These natural phenomena are usually preceded by a reactivation phase in which measurable variations in parameters occur. Volcanoes are the Earth's geological architects. They have created more than 80% of our planet's surface, laying the foundation that has allowed life to thrive. Volcanic eruption might look beautiful, but they are extremely dangerous for mankind. You can hear the actual sound of an volcanic eruption in the background. Now let us understand that how does embedded system helps in monitoring volcanic eruptions. Embedded system is a microprocessor-based computer hardware system with software that is designed to perform a dedicated function, either as an independent system or as a part of a large system. Monitoring a volcano requires scientists to use a variety of techniques that can hear and see activities inside a volcano. Scientists collect data from instrument networks that analyze them to look for out-of-the-ordinary signals. By comparing the data analysis with similar results from past volcanic events, volcanologists are better able to forecast changes in volcanic activity and determine whether and when a volcano might erupt in the future. Seismographs are instruments used to record the motion of ground during an earthquake or a volcanic eruption. A seismograph is securely mounted onto the surface of the earth so that when the earth shakes, the entire unit shakes with it except for the mass on the spring, which has inertia and remains into the same place. Let us now watch a virtual representation of a working of a seismograph. A weight is suspended in a way that allows it to remain still. When the ground moves, a writing instrument is attached to weight allows it to record the movement as it happens. The word graph refers to the writing actions. Most modern volcanic eruption monitoring uses seismometers and record the movement digitally. For output, a print version of wavelengths on a large drum. These wavelengths are so small that in order for scientists to study them, they have to be amplified. Monitoring-based forecasts are becoming much more reliable, but they remain imperfect. If scientists are fortunate, precursors to an eruption follow the same course as they followed before previous eruptions. Patterns often change, though a wholly new behavior is observed. The best forecast will be based on an integration of geological history, real-time monitoring, and a deep understanding of the internal plumbing processes of a specific volcano. Even with the best of the monitoring and interpretations, reliable forecasts are rarely possible more than a few days in advance of an eruption. Now I would like to thank our Principal Ma'am, Dr. Neelam Arora, our Vice Principal, Dr. Arun Pujari, our BSCIT Coordinator, Professor Nidhi Singh, Professor Sunara Lulania, and Professor Jayashree Parab. And a special thanks to Professor Adisham Sheikh Sir for giving me this opportunity to present myself. Thank you so much for watching the video.